think of a love story, you wonder if it's an arranged marriage or a love marriage. But if you think about a love story and wonder, is this an arranged marriage or an accidental story? Well, I'm not talking about my love life, but the makers of Kahan Shuru Kahan Khatam believe escaping in marriage is easy, but escaping love is impossible. Why do they think so? Well, in conversation with me in this Times Network exclusive with me, Nivedna Prabhu, I have the cast and crew of the film. Thank you very much for taking the time out. The lead actors of the film, Dhani Bhanushali, as well as Ashram Gulati. The director of the movie, Saurabh Dasgupta, as well as, of course, Lakshman Utekar, who is presenting the movie. Thank you, everyone, for taking the time out and joining us here. Dhwani,
thank you.
You know, this is a fantastic project. In fact, managed to catch the trailer of the film, looked extremely refreshing. Why I say refreshing is because you're trying to connect to today's audiences, what I believe, but you're also debuting with it. So butterflies in your stomach, and why the switch to acting with this project?
Just this opportunity to work with Lakshman sir, man, was just, it was very exciting. And when I read the script, at that point I didn't know that I would be in it. But when I read the script, I just loved Meera's character. I loved what she was saying. I loved how entertaining it was and how the message came across so organically. Like it didn't feel like it's going to be forced even when it's filmed. Then just the fact that he was in it and Saurabh was directing it, I was just, yeah, not you. तुम तो थोड़ा late आए. But it was an opportunity for me and I took it, you know.
Alright, in fact, talking about opportunities, looking at the kind of projects you've been doing over the years, been very versatile for an actor. But you're going a little out of your comfort zone with this one, is what we understand with comedy. Is that what made you say yes to the project?
Not out of my comfort zone, it's just that I've not gotten the opportunity to do a comedic character. But to be very honest, I just wanted to have fun. It came at the time that it did. Lakshman sir and Saurabh sir, when they narrated the story to me, it had everything that I wanted in a film. Especially in the time that we're in, where life seems to be so grim and grey. I feel it's like this the 1.5, 2 hours of just having a good time, going to the theatres, watching an entertaining film, is what I saw when they made me hear the story.
All right.
And when that happened, I just realized it had everything. It had like, the kind of things that I wanted to do, and especially given the fact that मेरी पिछले जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो काफ़ी थोड़े सीरियस टाइप के थे, तो उससे एक बहुत अच्छा ब्रेक था. पहली बार मुझे इस तरीके की कॉमेडी करने का मौका मिला है, सो फॉर मी दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. और यही होप करता हूँ कि सिर्फ हम ना हंस रहे हों और सारे हमारे साथ हंसें. तो या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड.
And we're waiting for it to hit the theatres, long story short. But as far as your character is concerned, if you want to tell our audiences what makes it so much more different than what you've previously done.
There's this innocence about him. And when I was playing this character, I think there was, he smiles a certain way.
Yeah.
No, it's not wicked. It's a mixture of being naughty and being like innocent. Yeah. It's playful. Yeah. Like I feel like my character's name is Krish, short for Krishna, and I feel like if modern day times अगर कृष्ण भगवान का कोई अवतार होता तो शायद वो ऐसा दिखता. उसकी values, उसका the way he treats people, the way he wants to have fun, very harmless but very respectful towards women. तो आई फील ऑल द क्वालिटीज़ एंड इसका क्रिश का प्रोफेशन है दैट ये बच्चों को ज़िंदगी पढ़ाता है. वो सारी चीज़ें जो हमें अगर बचपन मतलब आजकल हाउ टू रेज योर सन्स वेल, हाउ टू गिव ग्रैटिट्यूड, औरतों की रिस्पेक्ट करना, सो ये सारी चीज़ें अगर किसी ने सिखाई होती तो आज शायद हमारी जनरेशन वुड हैव कोई डिफरेंट पाथ पे होती. तो वो सब पढ़ाता है. और उसके बाद एक फ़न साइड जो इसकी है कि बचपन से मतलब जब छोटा था तो इसके पिताजी वो हैं, पंडित हैं, तो बचपन से ही इसने शादियां देखी हैं. और ये मतलब अपने ही यूज्ड टू सिट विद हिज फादर एंड जस्ट हवन में उनकी हेल्प करता था. सो ही इज सीन अ वेरी डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ मैरिज, गोइंग टू अ वेडिंग. सो हिज the backstory was that he wanted to go to weddings, but this time not as a pandit's son, but as somebody who just enjoys without any guilt and without, like, he just wants to go and have fun. So and with that, it's just a coincidental, story where जिस शादी पे ये जाता है क्रैश करने, वहाँ मैडम वहीं से भाग रही होती है और इन्हीं की शादी होती है. तो भागते भागते चेस सीक्वेंसेस के साथ, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं वी रीच माई होम टाउन विच इज़ बरसाना इन द स्टोरी. एंड वहाँ जाके जब ये आती हैं तो वहाँ देखती हैं कि कैसे, मतलब औरतों को कैसे, how they're empowered, how they have a voice, all of that. So it's a very fun ride, and that's what Krish is about in a nutshell. And that's really exciting me.
In modern times, that is, he happened to speak about women empowerment. We understand there's a really nice monologue of yours on the same in the movie. Very interesting, or rather challenging to shoot.
Very challenging to shoot. I think the whole film was very challenging to shoot for me because obviously it's like my first film, and I don't have the same experience as Ashim does. I took it as something that my whole idea in my head initially also was that I want to be a complete artist, and I want to get into acting, and this opportunity really enabled that idea, and really I just feel like now that I've done my first film, there's a little bit of a tick, that I'll keep doing it because I think I tasted blood, yeah. At the end of the day, I just want to say that I enjoyed it so much, and I learned so much from Sir Saurabh, Ashim, and the whole cast. We have an ensemble, and every actor, they're amazing, and just watching them performing is so much learning. From Supriya ji to Rakesh Bedi ji to Rajesh ji, just it was a school for me, and I mean, I'm just...
Alright, a great cast for
Great
sure.
cast.
And that is, and that is of course reflected in the trailer as well. Saurabh, as a director, how interesting was it for you to be working and directing, not just a newcomer, then you also have like seasoned actors as well, and putting that together in one box, and then of course presenting it to the audiences, which I'm sure they will have fun when they watch.
Before he says anything, I have to say that, the kind of effort and the mehnat that he's put in, that's the given. But I think every other day I used to tell him, and I used to look at him, I was like, you've not slept, na? So he sota nahi tha raat ko. Matlab, his mind was, he was running on the adrenaline of making a film that he's been waiting to make for so long. And that's the kind of effort and mehnat that he's put in.
But isn't that what the creative industry
Yes,
does?
yes,
It's on
yes,
your
it
toes,
is,
and
it
that's
is.
what we enjoy.
It's a meditation.
Yeah.
Right.
It's like we are in this trance.
Yeah.
When we come out of it, we feel like, oh, okay, what is this world about? So it's
Then you
like
come to
that.
the real world.
Yes. But yeah, like you asked, I'll answer it. Actually, it was not difficult. Again, though we are seeing Dhwani as a first-time performer, again, I had Ashim as well to support me so much, but it was not like that. The only difficult part was they were so good that sometimes I really had to think कि किस take को okay बोलना है, एक और better
Lakshman, is that true?
Sorry?
Is that true?
जी नहीं, कैमरे के सामने सब झूठ बोलते हैं। ये अच्छी बात एक दूसरे के साथ करते हैं, बट कोई भी फिल्म सेट पे आर्गुमेंट के बगैर होती नहीं है अच्छी।
Tell us about that, because we have to tell our viewers that newsroom में रोज होता है. It's like for us it's normal.
Every creation.
Yeah.
ये ना हम लोग को आदत लगी है, जब आप इंटरव्यू लेते हैं हम बहुत एक दूसरे की तारीफ ही करते रहते हैं, झूठ मूठ की तारीफ करते रहते हैं।
But I think Saurabh ke saath, there was not one day.
For this film, I must say, his vision was so clear. He knew exactly what he wanted, and everything was written in the paper. Before we went on the set, actually 15 days, more than 15 days, we did workshop of every scene. So we all knew what exactly we
You're
have to
getting
achieve.
into,
So it
which
was,
is refreshing.
yeah, and that's the reason we could finish the film in 40 days, I guess.
Yes.
Because Dhwani was clear, Ashim was clear, Saurabh was very much clear. He knew exactly what he wanted. All the actors were manche hue actors there. So it was fun actually.
And I think that's the reason why we didn't see much of Sir on the set. And he's the creator, and usually what happens is that,
You have the taskmaster overseeing it.
But that is worse.
When you micromanage.
No, I just with Saurabh, we just worked on the script, the workshop, on other things, creative.
Is it safe to say when your prep is like very good with your vision, then the output of it is what you envision?
100%.
Yeah.
बट सेट पे अगर दो लोग होते हैं तो वो होता है ना, हमेशा दो लोग हलवा बनाने की कोशिश करते तो दोनों शक्कर डालना भूल जाते हैं. तो बिकॉज ही वॉज सो मच क्लियर अबाउट हिज विजन एंड ही एग्जैक्टली न्यू व्हाट ही वाज लुकिंग फॉर.
You know, talking about Dhwani, we'll have to, of course, say this. How can we not mention music? It's synonym. But I'll take that question to Lakshman, because I hear that you have, of course, directed that very special song in the film, Lucky Bigi Wagi Si. So tell us a little bit about how that experience was. Of course, we won't let her go without singing, but Lakshman, to you, as far as that experience?
Experience was actually very busy experience, I must say. Because we had to finish the song in 6 hours. That's it. So one day we took it for the prep and the setting and lighting, and next day we started around 10:30 and we finished.
6:30 we were done.
Yeah, 5:30.
5:30, yeah, 5:36 we were
You were
done.
done.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I went to him after that.
yeah, so yeah.
I said, sir,
So it-
I've never done a song
So
so
it was
fast.
fun. Nobody knew what is happening. Only I was knowing what is happening.
So you can make everybody like dance to your tunes quite
yeah.
literally.
And the choreographer Ronnie, everyone has done a great job. Fantastic.
You know, Dhwani, like I said, of course, we can't like let you go without singing a few lines. But having spoken about the music, again, very interesting. So incorporated old songs with that new look, which of course works. So that, of course, you know, extra points for that to the makers. Having said that, any special track for you that you would want to sing for us?
I really love Sehra from our film.
Yeah, it's a fresh song.
It's a fresh, romantic, beautiful song done by Sachin Jigar, and Varun Jain has sung it with me, and I'll sing 2 lines.
Yeah.
चांद पे चांदनी सहरा तेरा, चांद पे चांदनी सहरा तेरा, लाखों में एक है चेहरा तेरा, सोने पे सुहागा सहरा तेरा, सोने पे सुहागा सहरा तेरा, लाखों में एक है चेहरा तेरा, लाखों में एक है चेहरा तेरा.
It felt like
Thank
she was
you.
singing it for me, so I'm very happy about it.
Superb.
For him. Yeah.
That's why I was just looking at her. I was like,
You know, a very interesting part about this film also has a message to the core. You know, anybody would want to answer that in terms of how consent, even in arranged marriages, it is that innocence in that dialogue. एक बार मुझे पूछना चाहिए था, which I also relate to, because you know, when the conversation of arranged marriage or love marriage in today's time comes up, so much has changed. You know, the way generation approaches the topic of marriage. Great to see independent working women, but at the same time, the institution of marriage, and with the fact that, you know, you're looking at confident young women who want to have a say in it, and rightly so. Who would want to? Dhwani, would you want to answer that?
I just feel we've taken marriage as an example to sort of say that it's important to ask women what they want to do in life. It's important to ask your daughter what direction she wants to go and not just decide for her, which I think my parents have always done. They've always given me the liberty to make a choice. They've always told me that I have to have my own mind and I have to take my own decisions. And I actually felt that while I was growing up, that there were a lot of girls around me that weren't given that choice. Their whole life was laid out for them. And it's so wrong, right? Imagine caging your thoughts and caging what you want to do in life. Right. That whole idea, it just seems very wrong. And as a society, I feel like there needs to be awareness about it, and it's there in the film. And that's what I say when I say that I read the script and I fell for it. I was just like, I want to say this story. I want to talk about women whose voice is just snatched from them. And the awareness is created so beautifully in the film that you don't at any point feel like it's preachy or it's just in your face. it's done very smoothly, and I completely stand for it. And I'm just really happy that we've done this. And tomorrow, when you watch the film, I really hope it translates, you know, to the
And it
audiences.
resonates to the
Yeah,
audience.
yeah,
You know,
yeah.
I'd have to ask you that in terms of the fact that, you know, any awareness or message for today's generation has to probably be laced with comedy, and that's perhaps the only way content actually works. Is that what you think too?
I mean, it's only fair, right? Like, because I feel if you look around, there's a lot of negativity, there's a lot of pressures of life, and everywhere there's like, you know, there's natural calamities, people are dying. There's just too much. So if citing an example about a film, like there is a lot of comedy, there's a little romance, everything is there. I mean, we've done everything, हंसते खेलते हमने निकाला है. और उसके साथ साथ अगर आपको एक छोटा सा मैसेज और एक आपको थॉट प्रोवोकिंग एक मैसेज दे दिया जाए, तो that's what it is. I mean, हंसते खेलते मजाक करते हुए, you know, if we make you feel certain emotion and something to think about, I think that is it sits with you better. Rather than अगर मैं आपको बोलते रहूँगा कि नहीं ये सोचो, preachy वो, then it gets boring and nobody wants to hear that. And that's the whole idea of entertainment, right? जो लोग अपने कंधों पे इतना भार उठा के दुनिया में आज घूम रहे हैं, पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं तो वो एंटरटेन होने जाते हैं, उनको सोचना नहीं है कि क्या है मुझे 2 घंटे में वो उनको. दैट्स व्हाई we're a country of hope. They want, that's why there's a hero and there's a villain. Because hero जब विलन को मारता है और अपनी उसको बचाता है हीरोइन को, तो वो देख के ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. You know, that's hope, and that's why वो सारी problems भूल के you go and enjoy and come out with a smile. And I believe that's what a film will do. Like, it will just make you smile by the end of it, and you'll feel like that emotion that you're supposed to feel when you watch a movie.
Lakshman, is that the case? If that were to be put in a nutshell as to what the film would offer before we wrap up, is that how we would essentially put it out?
Yes, आज के तारीख में वही, जैसे मैंने शुरू में कहा कि किसी को सीखना नहीं है, किसी को सुनना नहीं है, हर एक को बोलना है. और जैसे आशिम ने कहा कि लोग जब सिनेमा हॉल में जाते हैं, दे जस्ट वांट, उनको सिर्फ मनोरंजित होना है, वो अपने मनोरंजन के लिए जाते हैं. और ये फिल्म वही है, इसका मेन मुद्दा है कि ऑडियंस का मनोरंजन करो, ऑडियंस को हंसाओ, और हंसते 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 उनको एक छोटा सा एक मैसेज पहुंचा जो कि वो सोचने पे मजबूर करा. एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल एंड हिलेरियस एंड ह्यूमरस क्लैश ऑफ टू डिफरेंट कल्चर इन द सेम कंट्री, विच इज़ अमेजिंग. एक बरसाना है जो राधे मैया का गाँव, जहाँ पे औरतें डोमिनेटिंग है. एक इस तरफ है यूपी हरियाणा साइड, जहाँ पे मेंस आर वेरी डोमिनेटिंग, एंड दैट्स अ फन क्लैश ऑफ टू डिफरेंट कल्चर.
Whenever cultures come together, it's fun. Like, I'm an Indian from the south. My Hindi has improved quite a bit because of the cultural shift as well. Having said that, I want to thank all of you for joining us here
Thank
in the
you.
studios today.